Hello, I'm Allan Graham, and as you can see behind me, I've got the church in Millionaire. So this is going to be a big holiday let. It's going to sleep 12 people, more aimed at people who enjoy walking, little breaks away from the city or whatever. Got a few nice villages around the area. Saltburn's not far away, Whitby. So yeah, it's going to be a big holiday let. I didn't really know what direction I wanted to do. I was labouring on building sites in the past, and then I passed my plastering course, and for health reasons said I need to get out of the construction industry. So I didn't know which direction to go in, and that's where Stephen came. Like when I'd done his courses, it's completely changed my life, everything from the mindset, and now it's providing me and my family a really healthy income now, and my portfolio now stands at 2.2 million and growing. So when I first signed up for the training, I'd spoke to a broker in Redcar, just a random broker, and he was saying that he thinks I would struggle to get a mortgage. He doesn't see that I could basically do this property journey. After doing the 3-day training, and Stephen connected me with a broker, and straight away got me a mortgage, no problem at all. So I signed up for the PIA. It was 3 years ago to the day when I'd done the course. Didn't have no property knowledge or anything. So I signed up to Elite. It was on the 3-day training. I was really enjoying the 3-day training. Really enjoyed how Stephen was teaching. Learned an unbelievable amount. So I signed up for the Elite on the Friday on the training, and it wasn't until the journey home I was thinking, how am I going to tell my partner I've just spent this amount of money on the training? So yeah, I was getting myself worried a bit. So I decided to make a little detour to go and get a favourite Chinese food. Yeah, she was asking me about my day and whatnot. I made sure she'd eaten half it first, get her in a good mood. And I was worrying about this money, like how can I justify paying this money? And the money would have paid for a once-in-a-lifetime trip to Disney World, Florida. My first deal, I managed to purchase a property which has generated me £12,000 a year. So now I can go on that once-in-a-lifetime holiday every year for the rest of my life, just off that one deal. If anyone out there thinking they can't do it, when I done it, I had no income. I was unemployed at the time, and if I can do it with no income, then anyone can do it. So I'm currently at my latest development. It's a church, an old Methodist church in Millionaire. So it's a little village just outside of Saltburn. It's going to be aimed at holidays or little breaks away, more for people who enjoy walking in the countryside. So I'll give you a look around it, see what you think. So in here, right in front of us, we're going to have a big wall. So when you walk in, you won't be able to see inside here until you walk through the doors. So over here we'll have the office area, so if anyone needs to do any work. Keep going round, it's all going to be all open plan. We're going to have some stairs over here for a mezzanine floor. In the far corner is going to be the bathroom area. At the back there, where the pulpit is, we're going to have 2 big bedrooms. In front of that, we'll have the kitchen area and a big island, breakfast island. Over in this corner, we're going to have a big seating area. Over in this corner, we're going to have a bar area. We're going to have some stairs up here, takes you onto a mezzanine floor, which will be another further 3 bedrooms up the top. Through that door straight ahead, we're going to have a games room. So that's going to have a pool table in there, and then there's another room behind that where people can put there'll be PlayStations, Xboxes and that for the kids. Up on the roof of that, we're going to have a balcony area, which is going to have a hot tub, seating area, barbecue area. Yeah, it's going to aim for 12 people. So out here is just the public footpath, but what we're going to do here, so we're going to put a new roof on, but then this roof here is going to be a flat roof where the balcony area will be, with the hot tub, the barbecue and the seating area.
Nice and secluded, isn't it?
Yeah, we're looking at, we're going to see if we can buy any of this land, which we'll be able to put a kids play area, i.e. swing, slide. And all the sides going to get rendered and the front. We're thinking it's roughly going to take about 9 months. We've got the planning through at the minute, and yeah, we're just getting started as of yesterday. So with this one, so we've purchased it with investor finance, so none of our own money. We bought it for £100,000. It's going to roughly cost about 200,000 to do the works, 50,000 to do the to kit out with the furniture. So it's going to be about 350,000 all in, plus your fees. We're hoping it's going to get valued at 650,000, so it'll be a full cash out deal and more. Yeah, it should be about roughly about £130,000 profit. Again, using none of our own money. Once it's done and we've handed it over to a company, they'll completely manage it, which we should make in the region of £100,000 every year.
So 100 grand every year just off the serviced accommodation, on top of the 100 grand you're going to make?
Yeah, £100,000 profit just out of the deal, and then £100,000 per year in income from it.
That's wicked, mate.
Just off this one project.